Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Manny. She's your lobster, and my diamond shoes are too tight. We'll also be using Uber Chic Art Deco Elegance plate again. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2. It's already on my nails and dry. And we're going to go in with my diamond shoes are too tight. Oh, these are just so pretty. And you know, I only bought them because they were a Friends collection. I have to have all of the Friends polishes from Moonshine Manny. I started collecting them years ago, and now I'm just a full core junkie. I mean, I love them. This one in particular, the camera doesn't do it justice. It is the most pretty light pink with hollow and glitters in it, or shimmers. It's just stunning. Here we go with our second coat. I love these. These are just having so much fun wearing all these polishes that were in my untried bins. Here we go. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Oh, goodness. Got to clean up Mom's messes. And I wish the camera would really focus in on this polish. Oh, I hope it does sometime. It's so pretty. The hidden shimmer in it is stunning. I'm going to top these with I&Ms out the door. We're going to get them to dry down and do some stamping. I probably could have used another coat on She's Your Lobster, but I just, with my nails being so short, there's not much of a nail line anyway. And Woody's back again helping. Thank you, Woody. Yeah, let's go ahead and do another coat. Nah, we'll just do the top coat. Ugh. See, I'm always torn on this. But like I said, there's not much visible nail line to be had anyway. And here is my swatch photo. Ooh, how pretty. I'll be using Uber Chic Art Deco Elegance plate today and my cube stamper. And this is Maniology Fairy Tale. Look at that. So pretty. And I've got my H. La Cosadora scraper out today. So we're going to use this, like, I don't know what to call it. Mermaid skin design. Fish scales. I don't know. We're going to plop that on. Oh, yes. I'm going to clean my stamper off on a lint roller. And that plate is going to get cleaned with pure acetone. I say pure acetone, 100% acetone. It's just acetone that doesn't have any conditioners or lotions in it. You don't want that on your stamping plates. It could interfere with pickup. And roll it and pick it up and put it down. There we go. I picked this other image for my other nails, my pointer finger and my pinky. And this is going to cover up the polish a lot, but I just, you know how I pick out images. I see them, I want them, and they go on my nails. But I do get to see that peek out from underneath. And it's so nice. I am really loving these Uber Chic plates, or Uber Chic plates. The Art Deco ones have just been really fun to play with lately. Gonna try to line that up. There we go. Pretty good. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get the excess stamping polish off of my skin as much as I can. There we go. I am going to clean up with my cleanup brush and some acetone. Nice. Good job. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I love this stuff. I'm kind of a junkie for it. There we go. Excuse me. I'm going to finish these off with some Poshe top coat. Might need to add some thinner to that. It's looking a little thick. Capping that free edge. How nice. And let's do this pinky on camera as well. I really do. I mean, I'm telling you that She's Your Lobster polish is stunning. I'm going to have to do a full mani with that. I love it. So delicate. There we go. Alrighty, I got my swatch photo coming up. Here it is. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.